Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel name. Ready for a brand new school year? Today we're talking about how to not just survive, but in school. We're gonna unlock the secrets to rocking those grades while still having a life outside the library. From setting goals to mastering the fine art of studying without turning into a zombie, we've got you covered. So, buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, goals. We've all gotta have them. But let's be real, just saying I want to do good in school is about as effective as trying to eat soup with a fork. Enter SMART goals. These bad boys are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of just saying I want to ace math, a SMART goal would be, I'm gonna ace my next math test by studying for 30 minutes every day after school. Achievable doesn't mean easy. It means challenging yourself while still being realistic. Like, I'm not aiming to become a rocket scientist overnight. This whole SMART goal thing, it's all about setting yourself up for success. And who doesn't love success? Okay, let's talk study habits. We've all been there. The all-night cram session, fueled by questionable coffee and sheer panic. Not exactly a recipe for success, right? The secret sauce here is consistency. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't run 26 miles the night before the race, would you? Enter the Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It's like interval training for your brain. This keeps you focused, prevents burnout, and makes studying feel way less daunting. Figure out what works best for you and roll with it. Whether it's flashcards, mind maps, or recording yourself explaining things, own your study style. Now let's talk about challenges. They're like that one friend who always shows up unannounced. You can't avoid them, but you can learn to deal with them like a boss. Instead of freaking out, think of challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, even Einstein probably had trouble tying his shoes at some point. The key here is to embrace the struggle. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Your teachers, classmates, even that friendly librarian, they're all rooting for you. Sometimes just talking through a problem can make all the difference. Remember, it's okay not to know everything. What's not okay is pretending you do and then failing miserably. Ask for help, embrace the learning curve, and before you know it, you'll be conquering challenges like a champion. Alright folks, let's talk about resources. No, not talking about oil or natural gas, I'm talking about the secret weapons your school is hiding. Libraries, study groups, office hours, these are your academic allies. Libraries aren't just for dusty books anymore. They've got computers, printers, comfy chairs. Basically, everything you need to get your study on. And study groups? Genius. 2 or 3 or 5 heads are better than one. Plus, it's a great way to make friends who also understand the pain of calculus homework. And let's not forget about office hours. Those awkward time slots when you can actually hang out with your teacher and pick their brain. Trust me, they'd rather be chatting with you about that confusing theorem than grading papers any day. Hold up, before you dive headfirst into that mountain of textbooks, let's talk balance. Because guess what? There's a whole world outside of school. And it's actually pretty awesome. The key here is to make time for the things you love, whether it's binge watching your favorite show, perfecting your grandma's secret cookie recipe, or just chilling with friends. Think of it like this, your brain is like a phone battery. If you keep it plugged in 24/7, it's gonna fry. You need to unplug, recharge, and let yourself have some fun. Exercise is a great way to de-stress and clear your head. Plus, all those endorphins will make you feel like a superhero. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's essential. A happy, well-rested you is way more likely to ace that test than a stressed-out, sleep-deprived zombie version of you. So go ahead, give yourself permission to have a life outside of school. That's it for today's video. You guys are now officially armed with the knowledge and inspiration to totally rock this school year. Remember, it's not just about getting good grades, it's about embracing the whole experience. The highs, the lows, the confusing homework assignments that make you question the existence of math, it's all part of the journey. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to your channel name for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. Share your own tips and tricks in the comments below, because let's be real, we can all use a little help sometimes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. And there you have it, folks, your crash course in how to not just survive, but in school. Remember, you got this. You're smarter than you think, braver than you know, and fully capable of achieving amazing things. So go out there, crush those goals, embrace those challenges, and don't forget to have a little fun along the way. And hey, if you ever need a study break, you know where to find me. Right here, on your channel name. With more laughs, more fun, and maybe even a few more questionable dance moves. Stay tuned.